Well, ladies and gentlemen, we're on the ship, the Niuew Amsterdam, on deck 11. This is my room, 1102. Here we go. You have to place your card in there to get a bit of electricity. A couple of bathrobes, and a couple of bath shoes, I suppose, or slippers, and my yoga mat for the morning, complimentary part of the room. Here we have the bathroom to the left. Lovely full bath, well, 3/4, I suppose. Some shampoo, nice rain shower head, towels, jacks, sink, all Modcons. Fantastic, absolutely brilliant. And then we have lovely space. I suppose you can't really see it. Let me see. Lovely hanger space. There's my life jacket and all the rest. No ironing board. Spare life jacket for me. I'd want it, I suppose. Here we have the safe with place for your laundries and things and all that. And then we have a little stereo here you can put the iPod into, some water, and upon arrival a plate of fruit, mirror for a bit of vanity, and a flat screen TV. Nice couch to be hanging out in, bed, and then the best of it all, a fantastic veranda. From the 11th deck you get a fantastic view. Here we are in Florida. All the other cruise ships around the place. Taking them all in. Well, that's it. That's the room for the week on irishmusiccruises.com.